Are you looking for hands-on teaching resources for a specific topic? There's an amazing array of educational kits available to educators at the Wisconsin Center for Environmental Education. Many of these kits can be borrowed for a few weeks at a time and contain fun hands-on props, posters, field guides, and professional equipment such as GPS devices, weather meters, and infrared thermometers, and much, much more. All kits come with curriculum that are correlated to Wisconsin state and national standards. Borrow one for your classroom, club, or nature center today. All of these resources are available to you for free, and most kits can be shipped for a small fee paid by the borrower. To learn more, visit our website at www.uwsp.edu/WCEE.